Established in 2018, Monumental Roofing LLC is a focused and skilled roofing company serving the greater Puget Sound area. Monumental Roofing LLC provides free and reasonable estimates which are catered to your specific roofing needs. As always, we delivered on our promise for you to be completely happy with the outcome of our work and our customer service. At Monumental Roofing LLC, we believe that quality is the key and guarantee high-quality roofing services for all your needs. We are committed to ensuring our customers are more than satisfied with our work and are here to meet all your roofing needs, questions, and concerns. Our services include roof replacements, flat roof services, metal roof services, roof cleaning, gutter cleaning and installation, emergency leak control, ventilation system repair installations, skylight and solar tube installations, and much more. Ader Quintana is the proud owner of Monumental Roofing LLC and started his journey as a roofer in 2005. Ader has a true passion for roofing and assures excellence in the quality of his work and his interactions with customers. Our team is dedicated to providing high-quality work, and we hold ourselves to high standards when it comes to our work ethic and customer service. Please give us a call, 425-286-324, and we will be happy to set up an appointment.